Dude, are you hungry? Do you smell the smells of the food that which you smelled because you purchased it? And you want to eat it while you're driving? Well, get yourself the fry feeder so that you too may reap the rewards of your bountiful harvest. So what's the plan here? The plan is to create something that will feed you your French fries while you're on the go. Because when I get my fast food, I still have to drive home. And I deserve to eat my French fries hot. Oh God. Before I get home. Nobody likes a cold fry. I want a hot fry. That makes sense, right? All I need to do is find a guinea pig and a test subject. Very easy. Yeah, to start, I got a picture of a large McDonald's fry container, and I tried to just kind of eyeball it from there because I wanted to put the actual box of fries inside of that. I wasn't really sure. I don't get McDonald's really that often. And then I brought in Spider-Man to be my model here and made like a kind of over-the-shoulder system. So you can wear that as you drive, and then you can kind of like pivot from there and flingeth toward your face. I am a sturgeon. Oh, fuck, it's coming out. Okay, we're starting right out the gate. I got this Gorilla Glue hot glue gun, extra danger, extra cool, I don't know. I had to split up the neck piece into 4 quadrants, hence why there is the Gorilla Glue. Be having it on. Oh! Pulled too fast. Oh, that's embarrassing. Does it make me less of a woman if I have the hobbies of a 12-year-old boy?
Okay, we're using the webcam mic. My Razer mic is broken. It's been broken all day. I finished this stupid French fry thing a while ago. And then, get my hair out. I finished the French fry thing like a hot minute ago. I'm like worried it's gonna break when I put the code on it. So like, let's try. You get it. And also, I realized the gears can only passively hold so much weight. Like, you know, I'm just a human. But fuck. Poor planning on my part. But see what I mean? There's a few problems here. One, this needs to passively be at this height, but it's kind of heavy, so it droops a little. The other problem I've come to realize is if there's a steering wheel right here, I don't know, I'd have to be like way back in the car seat. But who cares? The point is, this should fling fries in your face as is fucking designed. I feel like this is gonna be very safe, very chill. Okay, all that's really left to do now is to, I guess, go to McDonald's and order some fries and throw them in my face. I hate going outside and talking to people. It's not even I'm worried about it hurting my face. I just don't want to go in a drive-thru and talk to people. I'm sure it's fine.
Alright, Maple, it's time to go to McDonald's and test out the fry feeder. Maple, you want French fry? My French fry! That was her saying French fry. Okay, let's go to Mickey D's. Okay. I have a confession. I've never been in a McDonald's drive-thru before. I know, like I've been as the passenger. I mean, like I've never purposefully like driven to fast food. The allure of the drive-thru has never called me before. This is actually taking a really long time. How long does it take to just order? Yeah, can I get a medium fry and the McCrispy strips? And can I want the 3 pieces or 4 pieces? sauce.
Okay, what kind of sauce do you have?
The creamy chili.
Okay, and anything else?
Can I get a mini Oreo McFlurry? And that's it.
Alright. Alright, sounds good.
Cool, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. That smells fucking good. Okay, Maple, we're just gonna go home. That was the receipt I threw. Don't cry, honey. We're gonna go have French fries in the parking lot at home because we live next to McDonald's, and I really don't want somebody to see us in the McDonald's parking lot with a fry feeder on and think I'm trying to do a terrorism or something. Shut the fuck up! Oh, I'm sorry, honey. I didn't mean that. Dude, they just gave me like this cardboard fucking cup of McFlurry. Like, this shit's gonna go everywhere. I wanna show. That's the mini. It smells really good in here. You know what one should have, but I'm not actually gonna do because it's not safe to do while driving in real life. What one should have is the fry feeder. Are you hungry? Do you smell the smells of the food that which you smelled because you purchased it and you want to eat it while you're driving? Yes, Maple. I too am very upset at this conundrum. Get yourself a motherfucking fry feeder so that you too may reap the rewards of your bountiful McDonald's harvest, or any fast food really. We're going to test that which we have made. I don't know why I'm talking like this. We're gonna test it in the parking lot. I literally live right next to McDonald's. I'm too much of a scaredy cat to actually do it while driving. There are a bunch of like young people outside. Like, shouldn't you be inside playing video games? Maple, you're gonna like this. I'm gonna throw French fries at you that you can eat. I'm sure it's fine. Oh! Oh my god! For context, I never buy fast food. Oh! Good lord! So the thought was either keep it in the paper container or put it directly in the plastic. I wasn't sure it was gonna fit. So, while you're driving, you can't ideally feed yourself. It's the worst. Oh. So, if you put it on you like so, and then you plug it in, hold on. There's now a reasonable amount in here. Pretend it's the whole amount though. I'm about to plug it the fuck in. And then it just goes like this, and you just go, oh, no, 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 no. You can eat those. That's why you're here. I got a dog, so she could. I got a dog, so, you know, the dog could help me. The dog could help me with the eating. Oh, oh God. Oh God. Oh. I don't think. Oh. It's in my clothes. I just gave her French fries. She just took it so tenderly. It's really messy in here. Is that cool French fries? I think it's a success. Obviously, the aftermath is a little messy. Maple, isn't it the worst? Here, clean that up for me. Hey, you stupid! You too can now subscribe to the Alurxees channel. Get great content once or twice a week if I feel like it. Be a subscriber today. Thank you for watching.